So today we have Mercedes E200 211 W211. So the AC is not working. We have to check the AC. Sometimes the AC take 2 hours to work, 1 hour to work, 30 minutes to work after you on the AC. So the AC is malfunction. So today I have to check it to know what is the actually problem. So here are the Mercedes W211 E200. Okay. So this is the engine, 271 engine. The AC is not working. So I have to check what is the actual problem. The customer has already changed the compressor, serviced the AC and put new gas. But same thing, well, it's not working. It was serviced by a different mechanic, different AC mechanic. So today he brought the car to my garage. So have to check it to know what is actually the problem. Here are the compressor. Compressor is down here. Okay. So this condenser, wow, this condenser was not looking good. Here is actually blocked, was not looking good. Check if there's a pressure. The system is very neat. So this is the compressor. You can see. This is the compressor downside and this is the sensor. So this, to get the access to the compressor, we have to open everything. This is the ECU and the manifold here and the turbo. So we have to install it so we can get access to the compressor. Okay. We have to open the ECU, the turbo tank and the turbo. So now we have taken out the air flow meter tank. So this is the manifold. I also need to take off the manifold. You can see the bolt here and the bolt here. After taking off the manifold, so the downside is the turbo. So this is the air flow meter tank, and this is the manifold and the injector. So I take off the manifold and the air flow meter. So this is the turbo. You can see here. Here is the turbo. So the compressor is inside here. You can see the compressor. Down. So now I take the compressor out. This is the compressor. Already I removed the sensor because I need to change the sensor. The sensor have to be changed. You can see the turbo pump was opened. You see? You see? The turbo pump. So this is the compressor. And here is the sensor on this sensor. So this is the old sensor. So this is the new sensor. So I have to install it here. So, and this is the key. You have to install the key inside. So now I have to keep my phone so I can be able to use my two hands to install the key. So, place it down. Okay. 2-1. So this is the original compressor sensor, but we couldn't get the same pin. So I wanted to fix this. You can see the difference. You can see this is the original. So I wanted to fix this. So I started to, because it's not the same socket. So You can see. So this is time to install the compressor. Here are the compressor. Fixing the compressor. I'm fixing the compressor. You can see the backside bolt. So I have to change this seal, the two seal from the now I'm fixing the turbo pump. Also have one bolt downside. So now I install so here I tied the turbo pump. This is the bolt and the bolt. So I'm going downside to tighten the backside bolt. There's the bolt somewhere here. So going downside, you can see the bolt. So here are the bolt. So I installed it already. So now I have to install a manifold, an injector, and air flow meter. So I have to install it. So this is the manifold. So this is the throttle body. So here is the injector here to this place. This is the injector, tight like this. So I need to install the manifold. So here you have to make sure that it's properly fixed. Okay. So the manifold, I'm tightening the manifold. Okay. So after installing the manifold, you have to fix every pipe and wire. Now time to install the injector. So I fix the injector. So now I install the manifold, I put everything. So this is the time to put the airflow meter and the ECU. This is the engine computer. So This is the flow meter, and this is the throttle body. It goes here. So the car is on.